Hi, my name is Jim Henderson with Innovative Integration, and today I'm going to talk about our Zynq Z7045 based single board computer called Cardsharp. The Cardsharp is a XMC formatted single board computer. That's to say it's 75 by 150 millimeters in physical dimensions. The card is an XMC module, but it also has the dual personality of being an FMC carrier as well. So the Zynq Z7045 that's on the unit is equipped with dual ARM A9 cores. These cores are neon floating point accelerated. They're perfect for applications such as embedded servo control and implementation of wireless receivers and transmitters. The Zynq core is augmented with an FPGA fabric which consists of about 2,000 DSP-48 elements and about 450,000 slices of programmable fabric. The Zynq is augmented also with some external peripherals, in this case 1 gig of 32-bit processor memory, out of which the application code, typically written in C++, would execute out of the two ARM A9 cores. So a gig of processor memory, and there's also 64-bit 1 gig programmable logic memory. That memory is typically used in order to implement things like arbitrary waveform memory for the playback of DAC waveforms, or a flow-through FIFO if you're streaming data into or out of the DACs via the FMC modules. Now, as I said, this module has the dual personality of being both an XMC module and an FMC carrier. It boots entirely autonomously from eMMC memory, 32 gigs of eMMC, which is on card. But if this card is mounted onto a suitable carrier product such as the EPC Nano, it can also behave as a slave type device. So you have the option of either booting autonomously from eMMC, working completely standalone, or you can blend it with a product like the EPC Nano in order to augment its features, adding things like hard disk storage, dual 10 gig Ethernet, and having a dual Atom coprocessor system to offload some of the computational load from the dual A9s. On this side of the card, you see the FMC receptacle. It can receive any of our FMC modules, such as this FMC 1000 would be mated on here. The functionality of the FMC module defines the analog I/O capability of the card, but the FMC site itself, atypically for Zynq-based single board computers, is an HPC FMC. That is to say, high pin count FMC with the full 8 SerDes for implementation of JESD204B type modules such as the FMC 1000, and also the high pin count for other parallel type FMC modules. The Zynq also exposes its 1 gig Ethernet, USB 2 port. There's a serial port on this to interface to devices such as IEEE 1588 or GPS type time-based capabilities. And the functionality of this Cardsharp, as I said, can boot autonomously or in conjunction with the EPC Nano. And this same functionality, the same architecture and topology, is available in a PXE format as well. So if you prefer a rack-based solution for test and automation, then you can get virtually the identical topology architecturally in a PXE format. I hope this brief introduction to the Cardsharp product has been of value. Of course, full specifications and details on the design are available in the datasheet, which is available on the website. Thanks for watching.